I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud server. In this video we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, well, let's hop in. This video will be specifically dedicated to power supplies. So with the other power supplies, it's going to be a pretty simple video as a whole. You really just have one option. It's going to be a 2200 watt 80 plus titanium power supply. They are redundant, which means there are two of them. They're on each side over here. If one of yours fails and you need something overnighted, you can definitely contact us. Obviously, you probably would still have a warranty at this point, and hopefully Supermicro will take care of you. If not, you should definitely contact us because that is something we always keep spares on site. So if you do have an issue and you bought one of these from us, we will definitely make sure that we're getting something shipped out right away for you so that you don't have a down system or potentially have a down system when one goes down and the second goes down. You can't have that kind of an issue. So that being said, if you are buying one of these, do please email us at sales@cloudninja.com. We have 200 plus of these in stock, a ton of RAM, ton of SSDs, 3,000 plus Ryzens in stock right now. Would love to earn your business and send you some quotes. So again, please email us at sales@cloudninja.com. All right, so what we'll do next is we're going to show you how to physically install these, but it's very simple. It's a hot swap power supply, so essentially you're just going to pop it in, but that's what we're going to do next.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your power supplies into your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. So we have our power supplies here, and it's important to locate this tab here. And this will let you know when the power supply is fully inserted, and it will also help you be able to pull the power supply out of the enclosure. So first, let's go ahead and insert this first one here and push it in all the way till we see that tab click into place. Now, as you can see, this tab locked into place and it's not going anywhere. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, just slotting this power supply into place and going all the way in till we see that tab lock into place. Now, to remove the power supply, all you got to do is push down on this tab and pull it straight out towards you. And then that will be how you install or remove your power supply for your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom build Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, ASRock, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished, so please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.